I'm Sridhar Reddy from Hyderabad, and here the main advantage of attending this workshop is, as an electrical engineering student, I came to know what are the softwares which we use. Softwares means mainly softwares related to the mechanical engineering. For example, Adams, MSc, Nastran, MSc, Apex, Adams, manufacturing simulation softwares. In addition to the software MATLAB and Simulink, which are also be used. And the main things which we have seen, the major things which we have seen are vehicle dynamics and road load extraction using Adams, full vehicle vibration analysis using MSc Apex for automated FE modeling and quick iterations, manufacturing simulations, Adams Mark co-simulation of battery and structural safety, battery swapping, and welding distortion and process optimization using SimuFact, electric powertrain thermal management. And in addition to this, we have seen aerodynamics using Cradle, and EV battery system manufacturing, electric powertrain gear reducing and transmission, noise analysis, and a solution for electrical motor noise. Also, we have seen optimization and light weighting and the usage of new materials. We have also seen, and in addition to this, we have seen the calculation parts of how to calculate the battery power, how much battery power is required to drive the vehicle, here two-wheeler one. And this thing, we have also seen the calculations of the motor capacity, motor rating. And this is a very useful workshop. By attending this workshop, I came to know that first thing is, this institute will bridge the gap, will complete the gap between the student and the industry. This is the main thing. And second thing is, there will be internships also, which will be useful to the students a lot. And here the thing, today workshop, we have seen the motor controller specifications 48 volts / 60 volts. And in addition to this, we have seen the motor RPM calculations and how to decide the maximum speed of the motor given the inputs, maximum speed, wheel diameter, motor RPM calculations. Once we give this as inputs, we can find how much battery capacity is needed to run the vehicle. This is from my side, and I want, and score which I want to give is 10 out of 10 for this workshop and for this institute. Thank you.